I like your dress. Thanks. It has pockets. Pockets.
Welcome back to my channel Lomzy Sews. In today's sewing tutorial, I'll show you how to cut and sew this play suit. You can also call it a romper, off-shoulder romper. If this is what you like to learn, make sure not to skip any part of this video. It's a very simple tutorial and is beginner friendly, so don't fret. As you can see, this play suit is very suitable for summer. You can make this for yourself, you can make it for your clients, you can make it for your ready to wear business. Yes, it's very simple, and you can make this in less than 30 minutes. Yes, so you can actually add this to your sew to sell business. Let's start with the tutorial. I'll be using 2 yards of African fabric. We call it Ankara in Nigeria. I know they call it kitenge in Kenya. If you know what you call it wherever you are, let me know in the comment section. Then I'm going to fold this into two. Here I have 2 yards folded into two. So what I have here is 1 yard on fold. I'll go ahead and fold it again. No matter your size, you can use 2 yards to make this. So here is me folding it into four again. And what I have here is 1 yard. So go ahead and fold yours like that. I'll go ahead and arrange this properly so that you'll be able to see what I'm making. So this is it, folded it into four, as you can see. And this side is on fold. That's I folded the 2 yards into two. So here I have 18.5 inches. Next, I'm going to mark 2 inches down for my elastic casing. Remember, this is an off-shoulder play suit. It's totally off the shoulder. So here I have marked 2 inches and I'm going to square this out. This will be for my elastic casing. From this place, I'm going to take down all the vertical measurements. So like I said, this is off the shoulder, totally off the shoulder. So I'm going to start from the armhole length and I will take the waistline, which is 17 inches. My armhole length is 10 inches, so I placed 10 inches down there and I took my waistline measurement. I hope you understand. So in your own case, do the same thing. From the waistline, I'm going to take waist to my hip measurement, which is 8.25. And also from there, I'm going to take the crotch depth length. So my crotch depth is 12 inches. I'm going to add 5 inches to this for ease. It's a very easy fitting play suit. So I'm going to go ahead and mark the lines and square out these lines. So this line is the hip line and this is the crotch depth. If you don't know how to take your crotch depth, I'm going to drop that in the description section. From the waistline, I'm going to take the length of the play suit, which is 20 inches, and I'll add 2 inches for hemming allowance. I'll go ahead and square this line out. Let me run you through the lines I have here again. So this first line is the waistline, the hip line, the crotch depth, the length of the play suit, and the hemming allowance. So the shorter one, this one is the front and this is for the back. Next, I'm going to mark for the circumference of the play suit. We're using the hip measurement. So hip circumference divided by 4, you're going to add 4 inches to that, 3.5 for ease and ½ inch for sewing allowance. I'll go ahead and square this up and down. My hip circumference is 44. I divided that by 4, which is 11, and I added 4 inches to that, which made it 15 inches, and I squared this line out. This line is going to be our center front. So from this center front, I'm going to mark the circumference of the bust divided by 4 plus 2.5 inches for ease and ½ inch for sewing allowance. I'll go ahead and connect this to the hip line. Also at the hem of the play suit, I'm going to take it in 1.5 inches so I don't have a sharp corner there. So I'll go ahead and connect it to the hip line like this. This is the side seam for both the front and the back. I'll go ahead and cut out the excess I have at the hem so that you don't get confused. But when you cut this out, don't throw it away because we're going to use it for the rope on the neck. So I'll set that aside. Next, I'm going to mark for the crotch extension. Remember, this is the hip line. So on the crotch line depth, I'm going to mark the crotch extension of 2.5 inches. So from the center front, I'm going to mark 2.5 inches plus half-inch sewing allowance. I'll go ahead and connect this curve like this. So this is the crotch curve for the front. So I'll go ahead and cut off the side seam, and for the front I'll cut it at the crotch curve. I'm cutting the two side seams together, the back and the front. For the front I'm cutting just the front alone. So I'm going to take up the front like this and cut out the front. With this I'm going to trace out for the front on the back play suit, on the back of the fabric. So I'll go ahead and maintain all the lines so that I'll use this to cut out the back. To mark the crotch extension for the back, I'm going to start from the front extension and extend it. Whatever I have for the front extension, that's what I'm going to use for the back crotch extension. So I have 3 inches there, that's what I have marked here. And on the bodies, I'm going to add 2 inches here to the back. I'll go ahead and connect this curve, the back crotch curve. With this, I'm done with the marking of the back. I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. See how simple this is, and this will take you less than 1 hour to make. Even if you're a beginner, 1 hour you should be done with this. So this is the back and this is the front. You can notice the difference between the back and the front. I'm going to go ahead and mark where I'm going to insert the side pocket. So I'm going to mark from this, I'm going to place my tape again like that and mark 21 inches for the side pocket. I have a video on how to sew a side pocket. I will not be sewing the side pocket on this video. So I'll just cut the side pocket, and I'll drop a link on how to sew a side pocket, so you go ahead and watch that if you don't know how to sew a side pocket. So I usually use my hand to do this. Very easy. When you place your hand like this, just make sure you give like 1 inch gap for sewing allowance, and you're going to mark around your hand like that. This is the easiest way to cut a side pocket. Next, from the top of the side pocket, I'm going to mark 1 inch. I'm going to do this to one side because that's the first one that will go to the body of the pocket. So I'll mark down 1 inch, and again I'll take 6 inches from that 1 inch I came down from, so that I have opening of 6 inches for my hand to pass through. I hope you understand what I mean. To sew this, first of all, I'm going to sew the side pocket. So I'm going to go to my sewing machine now and I will sew in the side pocket. After sewing the side pocket, the next thing I will do is to sew the center front line like this. Also do the same thing to the back. Then after sewing all of that, this is how it's looking. The pocket is ready, and I've also closed the center front, as you can see. I also did that to the back. So I'm going to go ahead and place the back side on the fabric on the front panel like this. Align it properly, right side facing together, and sew the side seam. Also place this other side and sew the side seam. So I'll sew here like this. Also for the crotch curve, I'll go ahead and align center front together, this the right side together, and I'm going to sew the crotch area. This is it after joining everything. Next, I'm going to hem the upper side for me to add elastic to the casing. So I'll go to my machine and I'm going to hem this, fold this 2 inches in, and I'll leave space for elastic. For the hemline, I added 2 inches hemming allowance. So I will fold in 1 inch and again 1 inch to hem the play suit. From these pieces that I kept aside, I'll go ahead and make a strap of 2 inches on my machine. We're going to use that for the neck. As you can see, the play suit is ready. I have done the pockets, the elastic, the hemming, everything is ready. You can actually wear it like this, but we are going to be adding the strap on the neck. So this is the strap that I have made. As you can see, I made it equal like this. Next, I'm going to fold this like this to give it that V-neck effect in front like this. Can you see what I'm doing? So I'm going to place this on the center of the play suit like this, and I'm going to sew it on it. So you're going to sew it from here at the edges. You sew it and you top stitch it on the top like that. Make sure it has that V-neck effect on front, and you sew it like that. So I'll go ahead and sew this and show you the final look. This is it after sewing it. You see the v-neck I'm showing you. So guys, we have actually come to the end of today's sewing tutorial. If this is helpful, remember to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't, and give me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you feel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
It's gonna pay off. Just keep putting in the work. We're almost there.